Hi, this is Lissa, and this video assignment is asking us whether we believe the illusion of objectivity is in the media. I absolutely believe that there is always an underlying objective in the media, positive and negative. They're always giving out their messages. The ones that I tend to pull out seem to be more negative. Because those are the ones that make me feel bad about myself. And so it's the ones that make me think, oh, I need to work on that, or I need to change that about myself, because that's not what society finds acceptable right now. And I believe that those messages come across really strongly because, like what one of our videos said this week, as we are no longer an individual man. As a society, we are a tribal man, because all of this media is brought to us in such force and on so many different levels, through radio, through internet, through television, through podcasts, of what is acceptable and what is not acceptable. And sometimes the things that are not acceptable, like I said, are positive things. But then when you are a Christian, some of those things that they're telling us are acceptable, like gay marriage. Or if it's a political rant and you're saying, oh, this is not the way. Like right now, our country is hugely divided between people who support Trump and people who do not support Trump. And the media does not support Trump. So if you are a Trump supporter, you are kind of pigeonholed as this person who is uneducated, somebody that is not progressive, somebody that is not accepting of gays or people of minorities or different ethnicities, or you must hate everybody that has immigrated into the United States. And that is not the case for a lot of Republicans, but that is the way that the media is portraying Trump supporters. So it's really hard to openly talk about different types of political issues right now. And that is in my opinion, that is a complete objectivity of the media. They have that clear cut objective, whether it be in comedy skits, which we just saw on SNL this past week, which they did apologize for. And I was so thankful for that, even though the guy they made fun of was a Republican. They realized they went too far. He's a vet. He is a man of power, and he has, earned that respect. And not only that, he's a human. He's a human, and that's what appeals to us most in pop culture. One of the things that really stood out to me this week says what we're really drawn to. I was talking about films, but really in any type of media, that encourage us to be more fully human, or that something that denounces dehumanization, that any film promotes the truth or exposes lies, any film that expands our understanding of life or awakens our sensitivity, any film that displays true excellence and delights in the imagination. Those are the ones that we really cling to. And that is the truth. That's so true. There's so many movies. The one right off the top of my head is The Blind Side. That movie was incredible. And was it incredible because the acting was outstanding, or the drama was so, unbelievable, or the graphics? No, that was one of the best movies I've ever seen, because it shows people coming together, not because of race, not because of, where they are with their money. Like, it's not a level, a tier of, where you are. It shows that it doesn't matter where you are. You should love people for who they are, and you should do the right thing, because that's what God calls us to do. And that's something that Christians can get behind. So I think as Christians, we need to be aware of the objectivity in the media. We absolutely need to be aware of it, and what it can do to our self-esteem, what it can do to how vocal we are with our beliefs and our standings. And then we also need to uplift those things that are embracing everybody, that like The Blind Side and like other movies like that are combating these really big issues, and then but also at the same time bringing us together as humans. And so when we can collaborate on things like that and we can support things like that, we show people that we are human. And just because we love the Lord and we may not agree with every single thing, we're still people and we still love you and we still want the best for our world. So, all right, that is my video for this assignment. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.